could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
Hey, you all, my loves. Thank you so much for tuning in. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. For the new subscribers, topic your chai. So, I told you it's back to back. It's back to back. My daughter is awake. So, in today's video, I want to do something. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it's common. I don't know. I need to do my nails. My nails are looking bad. Let me go and bring her. Hello, my people. So, guys, I want to do a kind of haul, but not on myself, on my baby over here. There are some clothes I bought a few days ago, so I'll be putting them on her while on camera. I want you to rate. How did I do? Like, you guys tell me, how did I do it? But before that, let's do some cleaning. And then, actually, it's Saturday. It's Saturday afternoon. There is a video going up at exactly 12. Exactly 12. Don't be left out. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I love you so much.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away.
As I promised, I'm so sorry. This is actually Sunday. the previous video I was recording it on Saturday. That was yesterday. So as I promised you guys, I'm going to do a haul on my daughter. There are clothes that I got for her. So I want you to rate them and tell me how you think, like I did. You know, tell me, rate it, and here we go.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let